the relationship that she has with her father. Now I'm not a girl, so maybe this isn't weird, but she refers to her father as sexy a couple of times in the book. She talks about like his eyes being sexy. She said, "I know Pops is laying it down in the bedroom," and that's something I ain't never thought about with my parents. Like, what's going on in the bedroom with them?
Yeah, I think that's intentionally put in there to come across as alarming, because if you notice, when Winter goes to the group home, I think it's the group home, and she's meeting with the counselor, that's one of the things that the counselor is asking her, like, do you have any sexual attraction to your father? And so I think we do see that. And again, that's something that is happening in our black communities in the hood, and it's something that we just kind of push under the rug. It's not discussed as deeply as I think that it should be.